So now let's work with hotspot questions inside of Adobe Captivate. So over here, I'm going to go to slides for that, and then I'm going to go to question slides right here, and I'm going to select hotspot. So hotspot is like different graphical buttons that you can click in a quiz. You can even use background pictures for this, which we're going to see exactly in this lesson. So I'm going to choose two hotspot questions right here, which is graded, and I'm going to press OK right over here. So now over here, I'm going to say choose the color green right over here. So just like that, I'm going to say choose the color green right over here. And here you can see there is one hotspot right over here. So I'm just going to change this color green, but I need two options right over here, or maybe three. So I'm just going to go around here on to the quiz section, and I'm going to say that I want three hotspots right over here. So now you can see that there are three hotspots that you can choose from. So you can also make two of them correct. So I'm going to go around here, and I'm going to like deselect both of them right over here, as you can see. So only one of them is correct. So this is going to be choose the color green. So I'm going to go around here and then change the opacity as 100%. I'm going to choose the green color right over here. And this is going to be 100% again. And this is going to be, let's say, a red color. And this is going to be 100% again. I'm going to go to fill right here and choose something else like blue right over here. So I got choose the color green right over here. And in quiz section, let me just give the points as 5 right over here and no penalty for this one. The other options, I'm going to keep it as it is. So I got graphical element, as you can see right over here. So now I'm going to go around here, and in this case, I'm going to use the hotspot in a picture. So I'm just going to go around to this area and then choose the opacity as 0, so I can actually keep a picture over there. So I'm going to go around into media. I'm going to go to image right over here, and then let's say I'm going to choose something like this image right over here, just like this. So I'm just going to crop this out a bit. So I'm going to edit the image, and I'm going to crop this image out right over here, just like this. So just crop this out over here, just like that, and then press OK. So only this part is there. So I'm going to click on this image right over here, the background image. Okay, so seems like I cannot select it. That is because I haven't. Okay, so I'm just going to go around here and then select this out and resize it out right over here. Okay, so there you go. I'm just gonna resize it, keep it over here. There you go. So you need to be very careful over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to realign this one right over here, and I'm going to say something like choose the buildings right over here. So I'm going to bring out my hotspot right over here. So this is a building. This is the correct hotspot. So just leave it as it is. Maybe I want to change out the opacity a bit onto 50% right over here. And I'm going to go to the quiz again, and let's say I want around 4 answers for this one. So this is going to be hotspot. This is another building right over here, both of which are correct. And this one right over here, which is not correct. So I'm going to go around to properties, change the opacity to 50, and change the opacity to 50, and change the opacity to 50 right over here. And this is an incorrect answer. So I'm just going to deselect it right over here. So only these 3 are the correct answers, as you can see. So I can go over here and I can change around the choose the building option right over here just by resizing it right over here as well. Okay, so there you go. There's a graphical hotspot questions, as you can see right there. Let me just change the grade right over here. So I'm going to go around, and let's say this is going to be 10 points, 1 negative if you answer this wrong. Let me change the passing grade. So I'm going to go to quiz preferences right over here, and then from quiz preferences I'm going to go around to pass fail. So I'm just going to set it around 40% as the pass grade. Okay, so now let's preview the project and let's see how that actually looks like. So over here, now you can see I can press the play button right over here, and then I got my first question, choose the color green. So I'm just going to choose the color right over here. This is the hotspot, as you can see, and I can submit. You can see that this is there. I can also choose multiple options right over here, but I'm just going to choose green and press submit, and it says correct. So now I'm going to go around here. I'm just going to choose let's say 2 correct answers, even if there's 3. So I'm just going to choose this one, and this one right over here. Press submit, and it says incorrect, as you can see. So I had to go over here, and that's the score I have. So I get 27%, as you can see right over here. So that is how hotspots work. Let me just review the quiz again, and I'll be able to see which one is right, just like that, as you can see. So that is how we can use the hotspot questions inside of Adobe Captivate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.